Mankind has always looked to the sky and stars and dreamed of emulating the birds and soaring with the gods in the heavens. Early attempts combined with man's determination began a journey we still today cannot begin to imagine.
Time is X minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
I expect to attain flight in the air. Through a system of leverage advantage, plus a man's physical power, I believe it's possible to fly as a bird.
Men walked on the moon in 1969. That's 66 years after the Wright brothers' 112-foot flight or whatever it was, somewhere in that neighborhood. What a quantum leap. What knowledge was gained in that short period of time.
That's the beauty of this. It really was a team effort and involved the city working together, particularly with NASA. And when we found that NASA was probably going to move its visitor center off the grounds of what NASA is now and sort of out into the community, that was a key to the overall ultimate construction here, the Air and Space Center and the programs and so forth.
The mission of the Virginia Air and Space Center is to educate, entertain, and inspire visitors of all ages.
We get visitors from all over the world come in here. We're ever growing and ever offering new experiences. Every time you come back, you're going to see something different.
Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
NASA Langley is doing wonderful work with research. As a NASA Langley Visitor Center, it's our responsibility to be a teaching arm of theirs.
When the students come in here, we try to show them the real NASA product. They even look at the stuff in here and I say, what's common about all this? I said, all of this came from one thing, from sharing this, from sharing your knowledge.
We use these activities on our floor to engage visitors. We do this with education, design, and engineering challenges, stage shows, science experiments, now with Small Lab. You're capturing and exciting and entertaining people so they'll want to learn more. And that is our role as the NASA Langley Visitor Center, to inspire people to want to learn more about the good work they're doing at NASA Langley.
Children gain from the educational programs here a bevy of knowledge in science, technology, engineering, and math. Now they can see that these 4 subjects are more than just what they learn in school, but they connect to everything in the world. And NASA Langley is doing a very, very good job at just showing that right there.
It is an experience, it's an immersion into knowledge and history, and a glimpse into tomorrow.
Virginia Air and Space Center is really cool. I really want to be a pilot when I grow up like my dad. Girls can be anything they want to be. That's why I'm going to be an astronaut when I grow up.
Innovative, adaptable, passionate, smart, responding to the challenges of the 21st century. The future vision for the Virginia Air and Space Center. To inspire the next generation of scientists, engineers, mathematicians, and tech-savvy, science-literate citizens to tell a story no one else can tell. The work of NASA Langley Research Center. The story will celebrate moments and people from Langley's history to reinforce a sense of community pride. But the emphasis will be on the future, empowering visitors by inviting them to solve the big problems through new interactive exhibits that don't just tell the story, they put visitors in the story. Exhibits and learning labs will be arranged in experience zones that relate directly to the facilities and research conducted at NASA Langley. aerodynamics, autonomous vehicles, calculating trajectories for rockets, monitoring Earth's atmosphere, habitats for extreme environments, new composite materials and methods. The future includes exciting new experiences, like a multimedia light and sound show that will transform the atrium multiple times each day with dramatic programming that breathes power, motion, and life into the airplanes and capsules on display. NASA Langley Research Center, Virginia Air and Space Center. New discoveries every day.
So please join us on this transformational journey as we celebrate the partnership between NASA Langley and the Virginia Air and Space Center as we embark on the next 25 years.